G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're looking at the Ringke Dual X case for the iPhone XS. So without further ado, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Alright everyone, here we go. Got the Ringke Dual X case for the iPhone XS. Now, full disclosure, Ringke has sent me a couple of cases to look at for their iPhone XS and one for the Galaxy Note 9 as well. So one thing about Ringke is they're always environmentally aware, and their packaging is always environmentally friendly packaging, which is good to see. No waste, minimal packaging. As you can see here, put that aside. Little thank you card there from Ringke. I do appreciate that they've sent that out and asking for people to review their products online, so that's always good to see. They're looking for feedback, they want to improve. Put that aside. Now, this case is military standard drop tested. So military grade protection, drop tested, and then the mil spec standard is in there. It's a bit hard to see, there we go. And we have a soft TPU inner shell and a polycarbonate outer shell. And they're both just different types of plastic. So you've got hard plastic on the outside, soft plastic on the inside, which is always good to see. You want that soft plastic on the inside for that drop protection. So that's the materials. This color comes in red. There is some other colors as well for this particular case, which is good. It's definitely a very transformer looking design, very bulky, a bit rugged looking, so something to consider on whether you want this for you or not, if it's your style. We're going to go and drop it straight in. Alright, so there we go. The case is in, the phone is in the case, and everything looks to be in the right places. There is some lip protection there, so if I do put it down like that, the screen is not going to hit the bench, and it's not going to get scratched or damaged in any way. We do have down the bottom here, we have our cutouts for the speakers and for the lightning port. On the top, there is nothing. On the side, you have your cutout for the silencer, and then you've got your volume up and down rocker there, and your power button on the right hand side. So everything looks to be where it should be and fits well and is cut to the right proportions. It's a fairly deep cutout there for the camera, and we're just going to go and try this camera out. Now, you know, I always like to test to make sure there's no flash that bounces back when I take the photos. So we're just going to do that quickly. So I'm just going to take a quick photo. I'll make sure the flash is on. And what I'm looking for when I do that is the color of the case bouncing back into the photo. And as you can see, there is no bounce back there from the camera cutout, which is good to see. Always tells me that we have a good product on our hands, definitely. Now, when it comes to grip, I definitely say that that has a good feel to it and a good grip. This red shiny bit is a bit smooth. However, these ridges all do offer some extra grip, and I don't see that being dropped easily. It's not going to slide out of my hands, and it's also not going to really get caught on any material when you're taking it out of your pocket. So I do like that. I think it's a good case. Feels nice and sturdy. I think you're going to get some good protection out of it. You know, they always say military grade drop tested, and yeah, maybe they are, but I'm not going to go testing it to see if they are. I just prefer to just take extra care with my phone and put a nice case on it. So the buttons are nice and easy to hold and press, nice and tactile, good responsive feedback. The ports are all there, the flash is there, the cutouts are there, the buttons are all in the right place and are very tactile. So I'm happy with that. I think it's a nice cheap case. I'll put a link down below to the site so you can pick one up if you want to. Very rugged looking, rugged feel, nice to hold. Kudos to Ringke. Well done, Ringke. Thanks for the case. Catch us in the next video. Check ya.